Welcome. In this video I will demonstrate and explain how to use the Magic Capsule feature on HONOR X7d. So the Magic Capsule is basically the HONOR's equivalent to Apple's Dynamic Island. So the bubble around your camera that you can use for many different purposes. To enable it on your smartphone, you have to go to Settings, find Notifications in Status Bar, then go to Magic Capsule and switch all of these toggles to the right, or maybe some of them if you don't want some of these features. Now, as you can see here, we have recording, media playback, and clock. So how this feature works, let's start with clock. Which is kind of counterintuitive since it's the last option, but still, let's search the clock on the phone, and what you can do with it is check, for example, the timer and how much time left until the timer is finished, and without interrupting your other tasks that you're performing on your phone. So you simply start the timer and you just leave this menu, and then you are still informed how much time is left before the timer goes out on your smartphone. In my case it's 5 minutes, and basically once the timer goes up, you will get notified, of course, just like usually. You can also pause the timer by tapping right here and then tapping the pause icon, and you can close it by tapping the X icon. So since we started from the end, let me show you the media playback and how it works. So the media playback works for music on your phone or for voice recordings, for example. So let's go to voice recorder app, and so let's play a sample recording, and let's once again just close this app. And as you can see, it also is displayed at the top of your screen, so you can also tap on it, you can add it to favorites. It doesn't have to be recording, it can be some music that you're listening to. So you can play, pause, you can add to favorites, you can go to the next recording, and so on and so on. And the recording feature, I don't think it works properly on this exact model, since it should do the same thing for you when you are recording a video or voice on your smartphone, but it just doesn't seem to work for me. Maybe it's something with my exact model, but basically what you have to do is just start recording your voice or maybe your screen. So once you start recording it, you should see the same dynamic island instead of this whole notification that you see at the top of your screen. And the same goes to screen recording. To start a screen recording, swipe down the control center and tap on the screen recording option, and the screen recording will begin. And just like with the sound recording, we have this dynamic bubble that moves along the screen, but I just can't seem to put it into the place of the HONOR's Magic Capsule. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's just this exact phone, but it seems to me that this recording feature isn't working well for now. But still, maybe they will fix it in the future, or once again, maybe it's my fault. I don't get it right. But I checked other people's reviews, and they did exactly the same of what I did right now. And that's I think all the features except for the calls. So when you receive a call, you'll also get this Magic Capsule around your camera, where you can change the sound source of your call, and you can also, of course, hang up on it. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you and explained everything you need to know about the Magic Capsule on your HONOR. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.